Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add gradient line to text in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then go to the Insert menu. Select the text box option and draw a text box. Then write anything. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse. And go to the Home menu, increase the font size. Now I am applying the bold or applying the alignment. Now we want to add the gradient outline color. Select the text and go to the shape format menu. Then select the shape outline option. Then go to the dashes and go to the more line option. Then enable the text outline option and choose the gradient line. Now I am remove some gradient stops. Then select the stop and choose the color. Now I am select the red color and choose another stops and select the yellow color. Then increase the width of the outline. You can change the color again. Then close the window. Now we can see we add gradient color to outline of text easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.